So let's go ahead with our next performance, Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali, an integral part of Bharatanatyam Margam, is also an invocatory dance that marks the commencement of the performance. It serves as a reverential homage to Lord Nataraja, the cosmic dancer, as well as to the guru, musicians, and the audience. The dancers, holding fragrant flowers with folded hands, offers prayers to the trinity of gods, goddesses, and the Ashtadikpalakas, seeking blessings and guidance. Pushpanjali is sung by Srimati Sweta Prasad in Ragam Gambhiranatai, Talam Adi, and is choreographed by Srimati Suhasini Muthukrishnan. With graceful movements and heartfelt devotion, the dancers Aditi Narsingoju, Anvita Akula, Kavya Kunapureddy, Naishita Poduturi, Pranavi Anantanarayanan, Sanvi Kalamadi, Shakti Anantanarayanan, Shravya S. Chelikani, and Shraddha Nathani bring to life the spiritual essence of Pushpanjali, invoking divine blessings to commence the performance on an auspicious note. Let's welcome the performers. Wow, what a divine bliss, right? Can we have one more round of applause for all our lovely dancers? Thank you so much.